Hello, and welcome to Animal Hub. Welcome back to our series on how to take care of your beloved pet dog. In this video, we will be diving into the important topic of grooming. Proper grooming is an essential part of caring for your dog and can have a significant impact on their health and happiness. From keeping their coat clean and shiny to maintaining their nails and teeth, grooming your dog is a crucial aspect of their overall well-being. In this part 2 of the series, we'll cover all the essential aspects of dog grooming, including how to bathe and brush your dog, trim their nails, and clean their teeth. So, get ready to learn some helpful tips and techniques to ensure your furry friend looks and feels their best. 1. Regularly brush your dog's coat to prevent matting. Regardless of breed, your dog will need regular brushing to keep its coat shiny and glossy. Ask your vet which tools you'll need to properly groom your cat or dog. Depending on the length, the type and thickness of your pet's coat, you'll need different kinds of brushes and combs to get the job done right. The amount of brushing per week depends on your dog's coat length and texture. Long-haired breeds like golden retrievers and collies will need more frequent brushing, at least once a week, if not every other day. While short-haired breeds like greyhounds or labradors may need a good brushing only every other week. 2. Trim your dog's hair, if necessary. Most dog owners prefer to take their dog to a groomer to have their dog's hair cut. But you can do it yourself too if you are confident and very careful. Here is what you can do. Wait until your dog is calm and preferably lying down. Move slowly and calmly, and use extra caution when scissor blades are near the skin. Trimming the hair around your dog's eyes can prevent overgrown hair from blocking its vision and rubbing against and damaging its eyes. Make sure to reward your dog's calmness with a treat after you're finished. Trimming the hair inside the ears can improve air movement and help prevent ear infections. However, this is best done by an experienced groomer or at your vet clinic. 3. Safely trim your dog's nails. Trim your dog's nails when you hear them clicking on the hard floors in your home. This will prevent your dog from experiencing discomfort from overly long nails. Catch your pet when she's relaxed, to give her paws a pedicure. Make sure when trimming her nails to avoid cutting the quick, which is the pink area within each nail that contains nerves and blood vessels. If you accidentally cut the quick, don't panic. Apply styptic powder to the affected nail until it stops bleeding, and give your dog a treat and some reassurance. If you're trimming your dog's nails by yourself for the first time, try the toweling technique to wrap him kitty up like a burrito so she can't escape. If you're unsure about where to trim, it is always better to cut off too little than too much. You can always cut off a bit more later, if needed. If your dog has black claws, or you are very unsure about cutting your dog's nails, take them to a professional groomer or a vet who can do it for you. You'll have to trim your dog's nails on a regular basis, so make it a positive experience for your dog. When you are finished, give them treats and praise for behaving so well while you worked. From an early age, get your dog into the habit of having their nails trimmed. It will be far more comfortable with the routine if you start when they're young. 4. Brush his teeth. More than 85% of cats and dogs over 4 years old are affected by periodontal disease. You don't want your four-legged companion to become part of that alarming statistic. Brushing his teeth regularly can dramatically reduce the risk of periodontal disease. It might take several weeks to train your furry friend to warm up to the toothbrush, so start by letting her smell the toothbrush and pet toothpaste, then gradually work up to brushing for 30 seconds on each side of her mouth at least every other day. By the way, human toothpaste isn't safe for pets, so be sure to use a product approved for your pet. 5. Check your dog's skin as you groom. Allergic skin diseases are common in dogs, causing itchiness and making them scratch, chew or lick their skin. In addition to making your pet miserable, external parasites like fleas, ticks, lice and mites can transfer diseases or other parasites like the tapeworm. Make a habit of checking your dog's skin every time you groom them. Start by running your fingers through your dog's coat, feeling its skin for unusual lumps or bumps. You can investigate further by parting the coat to examine the skin more closely for sores, redness, rashes, bald spots and evidence of parasitic infestations. 6. Regularly check your dog's ears. While grooming your dog, remember to take a closer look at its ears. Never put cotton swabs into your pet's ears as it can cause injury. If you see wax, wipe the ears out with a cotton ball dampened with a gentle ear cleaning solution recommended by your veterinarian. Ear infections can be painful, so if you notice any of the following changes or behaviors, take your dog to your vet for a checkup. The inside of the ears is inflamed or moist. The ears smell odd. Often, the smell of a dog ear infection is sweet. Your dog shakes its head or scratches at its ears. The ears contain more or a different kind of discharge than usual. A little wax is normal. Whines or yelps when you examine the dog's ears. 7. Don't bathe your dog too often. Most dogs with healthy skin only need to be bathed every couple of months to prevent hygiene issues and unpleasant odors. Bathing your dog more often than this can strip the natural oils from its coat and dry out its skin. If your dog smells bad but hasn't rolled in something awful, then you should discuss this with your vet. Underlying issues may indicate dental disease or a skin infection. Set out all the supplies first. Shampoo, towels, etc., while armed with treats and plenty of patience. Place your pet in a tub or basin with just a few inches of lukewarm water. Less if your pet is very small, or more if you have a giant dog. Use a cup to pour water over your pet. If you have a spray nozzle, that's even better. Once your pet's fur is wet, reach for the shampoo and lather up. A dog's skin has a different pH level from humans, so never use baby or human shampoo. Choose a soap-free shampoo specially formulated for dogs, which will be gentle on their skin. Pour warm water over your dog until it is thoroughly wet, then gently massage the shampoo into the coat. Avoid the dog's eyes, mouth and the insides of its ears. Rinse the shampoo off with warm water, then let your dog shake and air dry outside, if the weather is warm. In cooler weather, dry the dog by gently towel drying the coat or blow drying it using the coolest setting. If your pet won't let you give her a bath, don't get frustrated, and don't yell or punish your pet. Take baby steps. Maybe start by just placing your pet in the dry tub with a few treats, to create a positive association. Teach your dog to enjoy grooming sessions. Many dogs, especially puppies, need encouragement and positive reinforcement when you first introduce them to a grooming routine. Good grooming, periodic bathing and regular skin and ear checks not only help keep your dog healthy, it demonstrates your love for your pet and give you quality time together. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice on caring for your pet. We'll see you in the next video.